Hello guys, so today we are going to see the project demonstration of a mini rice harvesting and threshing machine. Actually this is a model, this is not a actual rice cutting machine. So here you can see the setup in the demo. So there is a roller in front of the machine which will first stage of harvesting the rice. So here the rice plant will be sucked inside, and this is a blade kind of setup. So this blade will cut off that rice plants, and the rice plants will be next transferred to the tank. So here the transferred rice will be stored in the container, and the container laterally will be disposed. Actually this is a mini rice harvesting machine, so which can be used for very small land areas. So this is actually designed for a mechanical project. So if you require these type of projects, you can contact us. Thanks for watching.